Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall the Comet AI Browser from your Windows PC. So, without further ado, let's get started. Before uninstalling the browser, make sure that Comet Browser is completely closed. First, check the system tray in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If you see the Comet Browser running in the hidden icons, right-click it and choose Exit or Close. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. If you see any Comet Browser processes running, select them and click End Task. Once the browser is fully closed, open the Settings app. Go to Apps, then select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Comet. When the Comet AI Browser appears, click the three dots next to it. Then click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm and wait for Windows to remove the browser from your computer. Once the process is complete, the Comet AI Browser will be successfully uninstalled from your PC. And that's it. That's how to uninstall the Comet AI Browser on Windows. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot. Take care. Bye.